Today's video is being brought to you by NeverDenyMe.com. Make sure you take a look at the website for all your graphic needs, anything from digital to physical. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Nate Matthews back again with another video, and today I'm gonna be all over the place, right? Because I've been recording some footage throughout the week as I've been making different things, right? And I'm actually finished at this point for the moment. I'm finished with what I've been working on. So I kind of want to show you guys a little bit of the behind the scenes of how I came up with this design. As you can see right in front of us, we have the Brother PE770. So you know we're about to stitch up some designs real quick. Today's design is going to be actually inspired. It's going to be a remix, man. I did one for the Kings a long time ago, and I've been hearing a whole bunch of suggestions and things, man. What about the ones for the Queens? You feel me? So we got these designs right here. You know, this is a fabric patch right here. This is a full-on embroidered patch. And then we got the little tiny one right here as well. So what we're getting ready to do is, of course, you know, we're going to make one for the ladies. So hopefully you guys already seen me draw it up on the computer, how I came up with the design, you know, drawing from an actual picture. I got multiple videos on this design. I've been using this design for a very long time. All right, so first things first, man, off center right here. Well, it's not really off center. Y'all can see it a little bit. I have the design already loaded up into the embroidery machine. USB stick is right over here on the corner. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but it's gonna be all gravy. I already have the machine loaded up with the stabilizer. That is some cutaway stabilizer that I'm using in there today. I have the other material that I'm going to be using. This is twill fabric. Again, if you guys want to know the materials and everything I use and where you can actually get it, make sure you hit the link in the description of this video, or definitely just go to NeverDenyMe.com. Everything is there. All right, so most of this thread is actually regular thread, but these two right here are actually embroidery thread for the embroidery machine specifically. Right now I got that really fancy gold, right? That's going to be for the crown of the design. And then I got this really nice pink right here. It's going to be for the lips. So let's go ahead and get this thing started. I do actually have the white regular thread already loaded up into the machine. It looks like it's already threaded and everything into the needle. So I'm just going to go ahead and, matter of fact, let me do a map out. Make sure my stuff is all actually in the correct place. So I'm choosing layout on my design right here. Hitting this format thing. Want to make sure I got stuff, you know. Stabilizer everywhere I'm going to be stitching up, which of course I do. Because this time I have the right size stabilizer, so it's poking out of every side. So how can I go wrong? So anyways, you tell the machine, hit the back button. Let's see. Throw this thing down. Turns green, lets me know it's ready to stitch. Let's go. And this again right now is just doing my placement stitch. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see. Let's see if I can zoom in real quick. Now you guys ain't gonna really be able to see it too well because I'm using white thread on the white background. You guys can see it a little bit in the background. Zoom out just a tiny bit. Y'all gonna be able to see it on this next one here though. So pretty much what I did was I just laid it out where I'm gonna be, you know, placing this fabric, and I do cut it up in small pieces so I don't have to use too much of it. This is perfect for my designs, like a 4x4 design. It's going to be able to fit on this size of fabric right here. So I'm just going to place this inside. There it is. Make sure it's flat so there's no puckering. Alright, and I can go ahead and continue. And it's going to do what they call a tap down stitch. I usually like to hold this one. You could use some type of spray adhesive. I don't really do that too much anymore. I just hold it by hand and I'm usually good. Yeah, I'm good. Now you guys can really see that one. Zoom in just a tiny bit again. We got the applique embroidery scissors right here. I'm going to use these to go ahead and cut the excess black out of this design. And this actually saves me so much time and so much thread. Instead of stitching it out in 100% black, I'm using some very good quality fabric to be my back. So there we have it, guys. I went ahead and cut it out. So now you see the silhouette of Africa. It's all cut out real good, very close with them applique scissors. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it back into the machine here. And it's actually telling me I need that light brown right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and load this up right here. So you guys can see, this is the light brown that I'm going with. Pop this open. Let me grab my other scissors real quick. cut the thread from right here at the top and pull it from the bottom of the needle. Just pull it out real slow so you don't get no jams or nothing like that. You'll be good. There it is. So that's the only part I needed for the moment with the brown. So let's go ahead and clip that. Throw in that gold. It's gonna start looking real nice with the gold. Look how shiny it is. It's gonna be hitting. There it is. That part was for the earring. Now we're going to go ahead and do this crown. I wonder if y'all can see it reflecting already. I'm gonna try to put my light on it. Just doing these lips now. Get that quick. Do them satin stitches, they stitch real quick because I don't got to stab a whole bunch of times to lock it down. It's just in and out. That quick, already done. You see those lips? You see them. I know you see them. And this is the part that's going to put the words queen up in there. Let's get it. Before your eyes, man. No. I don't even really want to be putting any backing on it anymore because I noticed that when I actually use these designs for myself, the backing doesn't really hold all the way on itself, like on its own. So I end up just, you know, gluing the design on or whatever, or hand sewing it on or whatever. So I'm not even going to use no iron-on backing. So as soon as I take this off, all I got to do is cut it out and we're going to be all done. So now, last but not least, I'm just throwing on this white border. I'm going to go ahead and pop this thing out. I'll just keep the white thread in there for the moment because who knows if I do another one or not. Check that out, y'all. All I got to do is pretty much use my my applique scissors or my seam rippers to go ahead and cut these little loose threads right here. I can go ahead and pop this thing out. It's looking good on the front and on the back, y'all. You can see the design through both ends. Again, it's no puckering or nothing like that. It's no things knotted all up in the back. Very well, very well. So let me go ahead and just unscrew it from the thing right here. Show y'all how that's done. Matter of fact, I'll keep it in there for now until I actually cut these things out. Let me. 2 pieces done. Let's go ahead and get these last. So if y'all order these things on neverdenieme.com, again, link is in the description, or you just listen to where I said to go, neverdenieme.com. Your order of a patch is going to come with one of these right here, baby. So this is like a 4x4 print of it. You can see it's nice and laminated. It's nice and shining. And this is going to be the packaging for the patch. So let's go ahead and show you guys how that is as well. So this is how I ended up going with the design and the packaging and everything. As you can see right here, we have the embroidery patch and the pinback button. We also have the 5x7. My bad that the AC came on in the background right there, but it's kind of hot where I'm at. We got the 11x14 frame, and we also have the 16x20. So these are all nice little, you know, modeled after the same design here. As you guys can see, if you guys want your designs illustrated or anything like this, you know, head over to neverdenieme.com. Follow me on the gram, NDM9ONE. That is my handle. And we can work, man. My info, my email, all that's going to be in the description. Just head over to the website first. And by the way, this one right here, if you guys are wondering why there's no face, or why there's no details, no shading, no lighting, no eyes and all that, it's because it's modeled after this one right here that I made actually a while ago. So I made the king design a while back, and now we got the queen design to go with it. A lot of people have been asking me, man, you got all this king stuff. Y'all seen the t-shirt and all that stuff I made, the beanie, all that. You know, hit the playlist if you don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, so I had to hit everybody with the queen design for the king. And these are some of my other little designs and stuff that I made, by the way. Artwork. I have a video of me drawing this up. This is the one that I did a while back. Y'all can see what that is. And then I even have this little thing right here. Y'all see what it is. So again, if you guys want to work, you guys need any type of artwork or whatever, holla at me. I'm always down. I'm always ready to work. Let's get it. Neverdenieme.com. And let y'all get one last look at these. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed already. Hit the thumbs up button before you head up out of here. And feel free to share this with your peoples. You feel me? If y'all like what I'm doing over here on this channel. I'm loving it. By the way, I don't know if y'all going to be able to see it, but this is like reflective. Oh, by the way, I got gloves on because I was just, you know, putting these in the frames and all that. And we don't do smudges around here, boy. We don't want no smudges. Y'all probably can't really see the reflective because it's in the plastic. But anyways, I use some nice shiny detailed thread for the crown and the earring. But yep, I'm loving it. So again, if y'all loving it as well, let's work. You dig. I'm gone.